so happy you're here. I'm Victoria, and if you're gluten-free and you love sushi, I think you're gonna love this quick and easy sauce I have for you. Spicy mayo. Who can have sushi without spicy mayo? But every time you go to a sushi restaurant, you're thinking, should I try the spicy mayo? Is it gluten-free? How am I gonna know? Because many times, let's be real, they don't know or they don't tell you the truth. So I started making my own. I even take it with me when I go to the sushi restaurant. We do a ton of takeout sushi, so I have it here at home. So I'm gonna show you how to make delicious, quick, and easy spicy mayo. It's really easy. It's gonna take like a few seconds. You start with mayo, which, by the way, is one of the greatest things in the food world. And you add a teaspoon of tamari, gluten-free tamari. And then you can add a teaspoon of sriracha, but I don't like spicy stuff. So what I typically do is I'll mix this together. And then I'm going to put a little bit of sriracha in because I kind of have an idea what color my spicy mayo needs to be so I know how spicy or not spicy it is. Rich likes his a lot spicy, and sometimes we'll make two versions. One is a light peach color, and the other one is almost an orange color. That's the sriracha coloring it like that. Okay, so now that I've mixed it together, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And don't be afraid to put too much sriracha. If you do and it's a little too spicy, just add a little bit more mayo, and that'll calm it down. Okay, so this is my color. I don't even know if you'd call that light peach. It's more tan, brown, I don't know. But to show you the difference, I'm gonna take some of this and put it in a bowl. And I'm gonna make super spicy sriracha for Rich. Not srirachas, spicy mayo. Super spicy mayo. Oh, I can smell that. I can smell the spicy. Oh my God, it's scaring me. Okay, so here's the difference. You've got not so spicy and super spicy. And there you go. You've got spicy mayo. Perfect for sushi, obviously. Edamame, I love to dip my edamame in this. Also really great for sandwiches if you're looking for a different type of spread other than mayo. Spicy mayo, there you go. Okay, so you know what we have to do now is we've got to try it. I just happen to have a beautiful tray of sushi right here and a little edamame. And now the question is, what do I try first? Okay, I'm going for the edamame. Oh, that was so good. And I have a piece of a tuna roll. I'm just gonna go right in here. I don't have any, usually I dip in the tamari and then in here, but that's okay. Oh, yeah. Sushi is just not the same without spicy mayo. That's just how I roll with sushi. A little bit of tamari, spicy mayo, good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, enable notifications, and a link for the recipe for spicy mayo, even though it's easy, I do have a recipe, is in the description below. And until next time, happy eating. And I really wanted this little whisk to work, but it's just not strong enough, so I'm going with the spoon.